Here's a look at the flashcards template from MadLearn. This template can be used as an interesting drill and practice, as a media gallery with captions, a list of pros and cons, or anything else you can imagine. It works just like the HCJ Builder template, but with the basic codes already in place. All you have to do is change the content elements of the HTML code. Start by opening the template by the usual procedures. Then look for the content elements in the HTML field. Here you'll see the text "Your text here," just like it appears on the first card. Change the content to read whatever you want it to, like, "What's the capital of New York?" Next, enter the answer that will appear on the back of the first card, where it says, "Put your answer here." Always be sure to change just the content and not any of the surrounding tags. You'll notice that the background image can also be changed. This is done by changing the URL source for the desired image. In this example, the image source for the first card is found here. Once you've made your changes, check your work by clicking the Run button. After you've tested it, give it a screen name and change the title bar before saving it. Now you're ready to add cards to the screen. There are 8 cards that can be customized just like you did for the first one. If you need more cards, just copy and paste the section for any of the existing card content and add them at the end, just above the last line of the original code. There's a lot of potential with this template for making your app more interactive and engaging, so be sure to try it out.